Hello, Estimators. How are you today? So today's our topic is insulation. Insulation is a very important part in Australian homes, as you guys know. That as an estimator, you need to calculate the bats for them that need to be installed in the building, in the all walls and the ceiling. Sometimes it floor also, if recommended by energy report. Okay, so main document to check the insulation is always a energy report that is according to NCC guidelines. Okay, National Construction Code of Volume 2, Housing Provision, and NCC. These are the codes which are used. Okay, in which we have ceiling and roof R value based insulation, that is R 3.5, or like this is a ceiling insulation R 2.0, R 2.53, that has been designed as per that. Sometimes it's flooring also. Okay, when mentioned on the your insulation energy report. Okay, this whole that wall insulation, underfloor insulation, okay, acoustic insulation for any theaters and all, and that where you want that the sound should not be go outside of the walls. Okay, we use acoustics, and these are stringing should be provided. Okay, these are provided to the ceiling. That should be always provided with the ceiling, so that these are the ceiling insulation should be attached always to the ceiling. So this is the mandatory. Whenever you take the ceiling, how much will be the quantity of the ceiling is the same for the stringing to ceilings only. You have to take this also. Okay. For standard homes, as you know that we have a premium energy efficiency home. We have different types of like R that is 6-star energy, that is 7-star energy according to Australian standard home. It depends on how much of the efficiency energy U value you have been provided to your home. That depends on your energy report. Like energy report is based on generally on insulations and all, and that your windows and your windows glazing and all, and that. So according to that, the energy efficiency of the home has been specified. Either it is a 6.6-star energy home, or either it's a 7-star energy home. So today we will calculate. We know how we will check how we can calculate this. Okay. For this, you guys already know that I am doing that two dwellings house. This is the dwelling one ground floor plan. Okay, and this is the dwelling one first floor plan. But if you can check on this area, okay, let me delete this. If you can check, there are lines of first floor has been mentioned over here. Okay, this is the first floor lining. Okay, and this is the ground floor. Okay, and here you can see, like in energy report it is always mentioned that what we should use in the floors, what we should use in the walls. Okay, wall you have to cover the like this is the first floor. Okay, uh, for walls you always have to like calculate the length, like linear meter of the area, and multiply by it the height of the building. That is like this is the ground floor, which is 2.7-meter high floor, FL2 CL, and this is the mid area. Okay, joist area, and there is again floor to ceiling, that is 2550. Okay, that is 2.5550 meter. So like we have to calculate that. How we can calculate? We simply take the linear meters. Yes, we take the linear meter of this area, suppose like this. Okay, and like this one, and so this is the ground floor. Suppose we have to take the linear meter area of this, like we have to take the insulation of this area. So what we will do, that is 11.08 square meter. Okay, sorry, linear meter into 2.7 meter height. That is, you have linear meter. Okay, and you multiply it with the height, you get the square meter. That is 29.916. But there is a part. This is the insulation area of whole place. But we have to deduct this window 6 in this. Windows, all external windows, all windows and external doors are should be deducted for the insulation of any building in Australia. Reason behind, because windows are already designed as per energy report with their U value. They have their different U values that contribute to the energy efficiency of your home. And this insulation has the different parameters that also includes some part to your very big part to your energy efficiency home. Okay. Generally in garage, there is always mentioned that the garage should not be, uh, garage is always excluded in the installation from three sides, like this side, okay, and this side and this side. Reason behind, we only insulate the garage from the wall attached to our main rooms or our main floor area. We only take that garage wall. If you can check in some energy reports, it is also mentioned that you have to take the you don't have to take the garage walls, side walls, but you have to take the one wall, one garage wall, that is this wall, which is connected to your internal, so that energy rating can be completed accordingly. Okay, so this is the reason we took this. Now let's come to the second part. If you can check, guys, this is the places, this is the area. Okay, and now come to this place. Like if we go to the this part, okay, for this one a double garage, and there is a ceiling over here. But if you can check, there is a first floor lining. That means in this area the first floor is lined. Now you have done insulation on this part, on all walls, okay, and you have done the ceiling part of first floor for the insulation as per energy report. But in energy report it is also mentioned that you have to take this part as your subfloor. Yes, this part has been used as a subfloor, okay, because this floor is directly contact with the normal normal temperature of your area, but this need to be insulated. Okay, so in this, if you can check, there should be, this area is also needing a roof ceiling, roof insulation, or any floor insulation, because this area is open. Okay, except your first floor roofing. Okay, this area, if you can check, this is the line of first floor. This area is also here. This also need to be insulated. Okay, this here is also need to be insulated. Okay, and this area which was left here, this is also need to be insulated. So these all things are always mentioned in your energy report, that what type of, like this one, this also needs, this area also needs your insulation. Okay, cover up this area, okay, to cover up the effect of this area, but it won't uh, affect the energy rating of the home. Okay, so for first floor, if you calculate, like I told you that linear meter you have taken. Okay, for first floor you just simply have to take your ceiling area. Okay, and that ceiling area is enough for your ceiling insulation. Sometime it is written in the energy report that this area, like if you see, check my overlay in this. Okay, in this overlay you will see that we have marked, this is the first floor in red, and this is the green one, this blue one is ground floor. So this floor is place is empty, this area is empty, and this area is empty. So these all areas need to be covered up with the insulation as per the insulation and energy report. Okay, but if you want to calculate, you can also sometimes you won't get the energy report during your sales or during your some pre-sales. So you can just check with the NCC codes, and you can, like, you can go uh, reach to the some same level of the energy rating, okay, for your work, so that you can achieve maximum area, maximum your requirement of R value, okay, for your building construction. So this is for today. Today I have told you that what is the insulation and how we can use it, and how we can calculate it. Okay, what is the reason behind insulation? The main we have discussed very main points. So if you need any further assistance, or you need this whole thing which I have created for you, you can just give me a comment. I will give you in comment section. Please provide me your mail ID. I will send you this, okay, for your understanding. Further, if I told you guys that I have started, if you guys have any drawings, if you give me the consent so that I can use in my videos, so I will do any five cost in that, okay, free of cost. I won't charge anything. But if you think my knowledge is good enough for the your Australian homes, do contact me via comments. I will definitely contact you on your mail ID. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Kindly please share and subscribe and like this channel for further estimation videos. And this creates a motivation in us so that we create some videos, some knowledge need to be shared with the others. You know. Thank you. Thanks a lot.